G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard.
I really like the idea of painting your own Space Marine chapters. I found this one online, I really liked it. Unfortunately I couldn't find a link to who did it. I spent a couple hours trying to find it and I just couldn't find it again. So if you know who made up this scheme, I'd love you to put it in the comments and I'll add it to the description. Be much appreciated. In hindsight, I should have sprayed this guy white to start with and then just put the base coat of silver grey on it, but it doesn't really matter. Paint's paint, you can paint over something if you make a mistake. So after I put the yellows on, I used orange to basically warm up the yellow, make the yellow, I guess also more of an orangey yellow rather than just a dark yellow. It ends up looking probably a bit more orange than yellow, but I really like it. The part on his shin there, I'm going to be making a triangle out of it. So I wasn't minding it being messy because I'm just going to use the black to cut in nice sharp lines around where I'm going to have that triangle. And I'm just adding in some of that yellow again, just to brighten up and highlight the top sections of it, and not make it as dark as the oranges. Next step is just putting some black on him, blocking in basically just all of my black areas. I generally don't like painting straight black. I've got a color called black grey, which looks like black when it's up against everything else, and you can add black as a shadow to it, and it just makes it look a lot more vibrant and not so matte and flat. Even with my whites, I generally prefer to do a grey base coat and then put lighter colours on top of it to bring it to white. And I don't usually start as light as I do with this model. Now at this stage I had also panel lined all my recessed areas with a black wash. And after I got to this stage I realised that I really didn't like the Aquila. It was going to add too much texture and details, so it had to go. The colour scheme is just pretty busy as it is, and the Aquila was just too much for it. Also, I'd like to give a shout out again to Gabriel, who provides all the music for my channel at the moment. Really appreciate all the work he does, and if you do like his music, please jump over to his channel and subscribe to him. Just adding in the silver details on the bolt gun and the bolt pistol, and the arrow that's hanging off his chest. And using that grey just to highlight a lot of my black areas. Now it's time to take him off that temporary base that I had for him and pick some scenery for him to stand on. I've got a few pre-made bases. I got like one which is like an industrial mesh. I could always add pipes and things if I wanted to. I've made up a base that's snow. Thought that looked pretty cool. He sort of looked like looked almost fluorescent, like high vis. And I have one which is grass and has some water on it, so I can test colours. And I've made up a lava base as well. I really liked him on the lava base, made him look a little warmer, but ultimately I decided to put him on a snow base as well. I really like the look of a high-vis space marine. So there's a base that I made up, and whilst the PVA is still dry, I pushed him into the base to basically settle him into the snow and used his foot to sort of crush those flowers a little bit too.
Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. I enjoyed painting it. Feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel to see more videos, leave me some feedback in the comments. I'd love to have your input to see what you're interested in and see what other things you'd like to see me do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.